How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, will we wait for other students? Okay, some people are enjoying, and that's why I'm giving you 3 minutes more, okay? Okay, students, what was today's our topic?
Ma'am, allergy?
Okay, now who wants to start about the allergy definition, please?
Ma'am, allergy is mainly the mainly the condition in which there is hypersensitivity of immune system,
Okay,
allergy is mainly caused by allergens.
okay.
Allergens, allergens are of four types.
Okay,
Adjuvant,
okay. Now, before four types, you said that the allergy is the hypersensitivity of our organism, right?
of immune system, hypersensitivity of immune system.
Okay. And we can say that it's abnormal immune response, right?
Yes,
Okay. And you say that the cause of the allergy is allergens, right?
yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what does mean the allergens? Who will answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what does mean the allergens? What is this?
Allergens.
Yes.
Allergen is a substance which may be eaten or inhaled
Okay.
that inhaled that is recognized by an immune system and can cause allergic reaction.
Yes. Can we say that it's the same antigen?
Antigen.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We can say that.
Okay. Allergens have the same properties as a antigens, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The macromolecular, it's a protein nature, right? And it's the foreign for our body, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what does mean haptens?
What, ma'am?
Haptens.
I didn't
Okay,
understand, ma'am. What are you saying?
I will write you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I can see that. You have written in the chat.
I write.
What, ma'am?
Okay, can you see what I write in a chat?
No, ma'am, I can see.
Okay. Okay. Here, problem. Okay, I'll write again. Okay, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what does it mean?
Haptens are small molecules
Okay.
and they elicit in an immune system. Basically, they can combine with a specific antibody and can cause allergic reactions.
Okay. We can say it's yes, it's a micromolecular substance that by entering okay, after entering in our organism, they are beating with the proteins, okay, and become an antigen, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And the next question. Okay, Ifat Aziz.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you say me the classification of allergens?
Ma'am,
Classification of allergens.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, exogenous allergen, endogenous allergens, and urinary infections allergen and infectious allergens. And
Okay.
urinary allergens, home dust, epidermal, pollen, food, industrial, officinal, and infectious allergens are bacterial, fungus, and viral.
Okay. Exogenous and endogenous allergens, right? What does mean
Yeah.
exogenous allergens?
Ma'am, penetrate to the organism from outside. Exogenous and endogenous allergens are formed in the organism.
Okay. Okay. Can you give me an example of endogenous allergens?
Ma'am, endogenous is
Yes.
ma'am, peanut, tree nuts, wheat, soya beans, fish, cow's milk, and chickens. It's a endogenous allergen in consumed food present usually.
No. Endogenous allergens, they are formed in our body, okay? It's our own cells, okay? As
Okay, ma'am.
antigens. For example, we have an inflammation, okay? And we know that in the process of inflammation, the cells are damaged, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the products of the damaged cells can be as an allergen for our body, okay?
Yes.
Okay. And in the some cases when the human have the uh, immune system disease, the immune systems detected our own cells as a foreign and can be detected as allergens, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And next question. Okay, next question will about the pathogenesis of the allergy reactions. Okay. And okay. Samia Azam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you say me classification of allergy by Cook?
Ma'am, allergy of immediate type, allergy of delayed type, or
Yes.
hypersensitization of delayed type.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between the immediate type and delayed type?
Yes. Ma'am, immediate type dwells within 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
And delayed dwells after 1 to 2 days.
Okay. This classification depends on the time of appearing, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Immediate types reactions developed very quickly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And delayed type, their development so slowly after a day, maybe, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And longer. Okay. Okay, and Shafiullah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me the types of allergy reactions according to Combs and Gels?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we say that we have 4 types of allergy reactions, right? Can you tell me which types?
Types, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, we have
toxic reaction.
okay, we have 4 types of allergy reactions. Type 1, type 2, type 3, and type 4. Can you describe each one?
Ma'am, type 2 are cytotoxic reaction. Type
Okay.
3 are amino complex reaction, and type 4 are cell mediated reaction.
Okay. Okay. First type, it's the anaphylactic reaction, right? And it's mediated by immunoglobulin E, right?
Yes.
Yes. And the main pathogenesis depends on immunoglobulin E, right? And of histamine that released by mast cells. Okay, to understand about the immune system, to understand about the allergic reaction, you first of all you should know about the immune response, right?
Yes.
The cells of immune response. Can tell me. Okay, now I will send you slides, okay, for this topic in a WhatsApp group, okay? And I will give you 10, 20, 10 or 15 minutes, okay? And you should read about the cells of immune system, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now where's my... Okay. 38 group, right? Okay, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read about the immune system, okay? And after 10 or 15 minutes, we will continue, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, have you finished to read? Mohsin Raza present. Okay, where's the Mohsin Raza?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready for today's? You are late, by the way. Are you ready for the topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's good. Okay, can you tell me the immune system? What types of immune system we have?
Ma'am, there are two types of immune system: innate immune system and adaptive immune system.
Okay, what the difference between them?
Ma'am, innate immune system is non-specific and ma'am, it responds quickly. Basically, innate immunity is, ma'am, by birth immunity, and the adaptive immunity is acquired immunity, and it get after the birth. Innate immunity, ma'am, contain neutrophil. Neutrophil basically granulocytes, leukocyte, multi-lobe. They are first to act at the site of infection or to and first to respond to any pathogen or antigens to the foreign particle. And in adaptive system, ma'am, there are lymphocytes involved. Lymphocyte basically of ma'am, two type: B lymphocyte and T lymphocyte. Basically, ma'am, B lymphocyte are the lymphocyte that form antibodies and from a plasma cells, and the T lymphocyte basically of two types: CD4 and CD8. CD4 are helper T cells. Helper T cell means they perform function of signaling. For example, when the antigen enter to the cell, they form signaling from that receptor to the system, adaptive system. And the CD8 are cytotoxic cells. Basically, they are the killing cells of the body, and they perform the killing of that pathogen or antigen.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay. And okay, did you say that the innate immune system is the specific immune response, and innate, it's non-specific immune response, and adaptive is a specific, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you for your answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now okay. Muhammad Hassan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me the stages of development of allergy?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are three stages of development of allergy. First is
Okay.
the immunological state, second one is pathochemical stage, and third one is pathophysical stage.
Okay.
In first one, ma'am, immunological stage, it includes all change in immune system when the allergen enters into in the organism, and
Okay.
also further formation of the antibodies to synthesize the lymphocytes. And then, ma'am, in pathochemical stage, it sends information of biological active substances, and then stimulus to the formation of binding of allergens to the antibodies. And third one is, ma'am, it describe all by pathogen action of formed by the mediators and into the cell, organs, and tissue of the organism.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. And now we will talk about the sensitization. Okay. Hepatitis. Hepatitis.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me what does mean sensitization? Okay, if Aziz, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Sensitization, what does it mean?
Because most ma'am, the quantity or condition of responding to a certain stimuli in a sensitive manner.
Okay, and
Ma'am, most cells are centered to the development of immediate hypersensitivity. We first review some of the silent characteristics of sensitizations.
okay, we say that the allergy, it's the abnormal immune response, or it's the increasing of sensitiveness to the penetration of allergy repeatedly, right? Okay, can you understand me? Okay. Okay, I'm talking to all of you. Okay, listen to me. We say that the allergy, it's the abnormal response of our immune system to the penetration of allergen repeatedly. Repeatedly means again, right? And the first entering of the allergen to our organism, it's called sensitization, okay? In a sensitization, the allergen, the first time entering the body, and immune response producing some cells. Okay. In a sensitization, our immune response producing immunoglobulin E, okay, and this immunoglobulin E attached to the surface of mast cells, okay. It's mean that after the sensitizations, our organism have the prepared immunoglobulin E, okay. And when repeatedly, when again the same allergen entering to the body, it will be the immunological, it will be the allergic reaction, okay. Okay, is it clear for you? Students, I'm talking to you. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, and now look, today we talk about the first part of the allergy, okay? And I think these four types of allergy reactions we should learn. We should talk about the next time, because it's so very big topic, okay, and it's so hard, okay. Okay, can you hear me, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the next week, we will talk about the pathogenesis of these 4 types of the allergy reactions, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And to the next lesson, you should prepare pathogenesis of these reactions, and if you will read about this, and it will be easier to explain you, okay, for me. And I should say that we have new syllabus, okay. New syllabus are preparing now, and you should know that we will have 16 practice lessons of pathophysiology, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now about okay, have you any questions about the allergy?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you are only 9 students in your group, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and who is your leader?
Ma'am, Ifat Aziz.
Who?
Ifat Aziz.
GM38.
Okay, Ifat Aziz is the leader, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, about the first part of the allergy, have you any questions for me?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I send you slides, and by the slides you can prepare the to the next lesson, okay? The reactions of these 4 types of allergy reactions, okay? Okay, is it clear for you? Have you any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then okay, what I should say you? Okay, I think that's all for today, right? Okay, now now we can over the practice classes, and I want you to be ready for the next lesson, okay? We will quickly discuss the 4 types of reactions, okay? And shortly we will talk about the inflammation, okay? No,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. No. In the next time, we will talk about the 4 types of these reactions, allergy reactions, okay? And shortly, we will talk about the immune response, okay? It's so important to know about the immune response to know about the allergy reactions, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, prepare the immune response, and pathogenesis of 4 types of reactions. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, then see you. It was nice to have a lesson with you, and see you next week. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Goodbye.